So what's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see some iPhone settings you should turn off right now. The first one is stop apps from tracking your exact location. Not every app needs to know exactly where you are. While delivery apps may need precision, many others don't. So open settings on your iPhone. Tap privacy and security, then click on location services. Select an app like Instagram, Facebook, etc., then turn exact location off. Set location access to while using the app or ask next time. This lets the app work but protects your privacy by sharing only an approximate location. Secondly, stop apps from tracking your access to other apps. Many apps track your activity across apps and websites for ads. To turn off this completely, open settings again. Tap privacy and security, then click on tracking. Turn allow apps to request it to track to off. Once disabled, apps can't ask to track you anymore. Now, if you want to extend your iPhone battery lifespan, on iPhone 15 and later, Apple added a feature to limit charging, which helps your battery last longer over time. Just open settings, then tap on battery. Tap charging and move the charge limit slider. Try 95% for best balance and use 80 or 90% if you're near a charger often. Lithium-ion batteries age faster when they stay at 100% at all the time. Limiting charging reduces wear and keeps battery health higher for longer. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.